Winamac Coil Spring is set apart from other spring companies because of attitude. An attitude to innovate, an attitude to ask some questions, an attitude to dig deeper into the question and really find the customer's needs.
Over the 75 years, a trait of multiple generations ahead of us is just that partnership. Taking and solving problems for the customer, it allows you to join up, if you will, to partner in solving a problem, but it's also to produce a product.
My name is Roy Steiner, and I work for Tillmore. And early on, we started working with Winamac because they could provide special springs for us. We are blessed to have Winamac so near to us and provide such good product for us.
When we bought the robotic equipment, it wasn't to replace the employee, but to improve our status within our customer base.
The innovation, the problem solving, the ability to find creative solutions, whether it be robotics or IT or things like that. We've engaged in those for decades.
What you start out with is just a straight wire and you run it through a machine and there you are, you got a spring. So it's very enlightening to be proud of what you make.
We are all very thankful for the 75th year anniversary. Future does look positive and exciting if we continue with this same spirit and legacy of my father. Springs are mechanical, but the people make the difference.